Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to show you how to replace and reset your drum in your HL-6180 Brother printer. It's a pretty simple process. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the front access door. After that, we're going to remove the drum and toner and come out together. Alright, now that we got that out, there's a little green tab on the side of the drum. You're going to push down on that little green tab and lift and separate the toner from the drum. So we'll keep that. We'll set the old drum off to the side. We'll get our new Onyx brand drum here. Inside of every drum from Onyx you do get written instructions on how to replace the drum. So those always come in handy. We got our new drum. Alright, so now we're going to reinstall the toner into our new drum. You'll feel it click into place. And then once you do that, there's a little green tab at the top of the drum unit. You're going to grab that green tab. You're going to slide it back and forth about 2 or 3 times. Making sure that it ends at the same place that it starts at. You want to make sure that both these little arrows are pointing at each other. Once you're done with that, you're going to reinstall the toner and drums back into the printer. You'll feel them kind of click back into place. We're going to leave the door open, and you're going to press down and hold the green go button for about 4 seconds. Once it's done, the little message on the screen will pop up and say drum clear. Once you see that message, that means your drum's been reset. You can let go of the go button and close the front access door, and there you go. In a couple of quick, easy steps, you're back up and printing.